2023's best electric bikes. Electric bikes have become a popular alternative for eco-conscious commuters and outdoor enthusiasts alike as we move forward. Electric motorcycles have grown to offer outstanding features and performance as technology and design have advanced. 1. Mega Nerica. The Nerica Mega is an electric bike that combines cutting-edge technology with a beautiful design. It has a gorgeous carbon fiber frame, which not only adds to its looks but also helps to its lightweight design. The bike's 1000 W rear hub motor makes it an ideal alternative for city commuting and recreational excursions. The Nerica Mega's integrated touchscreen display and app connectivity are two of its notable features. Riders may use the Nerica app to tailor their riding experience, track their performance, and even locate their bike using GPS. The Nerica Mega provides both style and substance with a range of up to 50 miles and a top speed of 28 miles per hour. 2. Wow Cyber. The WAU Cyber is a stylish and functional electric bike. It stands out on the road because to its eye-catching appearance and high-quality components. The bike is powered by a 750W mid-drive engine and a 48V battery, providing remarkable performance and a range of up to 60 miles. The WAU Cyber is distinguished by its innovative safety features, which include integrated lights, a horn, and a strong braking system. Riders can feel confident and secure when navigating crowded metropolitan roadways. The frame of the bike is built of high-quality aluminum, ensuring longevity without losing maneuverability. The WAU Cyber is ideal for riders who desire both performance and style in one package. 3. X-Trail Pro Bandit. The Bandit X-Trail Pro is a high-end electric mountain bike built for riders that seek adventure and difficult terrain. This bike easily conquers steep slopes and rugged trails thanks to its strong 750W mid-drive motor. The 48V lithium-ion battery has an astounding range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, allowing you to enjoy the great outdoors without fear of running out of power. The Bandit X-Trail Pro is distinguished by its sturdy construction and sophisticated suspension technology. The full suspension design, which includes front and rear air shocks, ensures a smooth and controlled ride over any terrain. Furthermore, the bike's frame is made of lightweight yet robust aluminum alloy, making it ideal for both off-road and on-road activities. 4. Leopard by Yotobike. The Yotobike. Leopard is a multi-purpose electric bike built for city use. It's designed to be quick and efficient, making it an excellent alternative for regular commuters. The Leopard has a 500W rear hub motor, which provides effective power distribution for city streets. It has a 36V battery and can travel up to 35 miles on a single charge. The folding form of the Yotobike Leopard distinguishes it, allowing for convenient storage in compact locations such as apartments and offices. Furthermore, the bike includes a built-in USB charger for your electronics, making it perfect for on-the-go riders. The Leopard's elegant form and functional features elevate it to the top of the urban electric bike competition. 5. eStream Evo AM6 Bulls. The Bulls eStream Evo AM6 electric mountain bike excels at both downhill descents and difficult ascents. This bike's 750W mid-drive motor and 48V battery provide outstanding power and a range of up to 70 kilometers. It's an excellent choice for riders that enjoy taking on difficult trails. The Bulls eStream Evo AM6's innovative suspension system, which incorporates a RockShox Yari RC fork and a Fox Float DPS rear shock, is one of its noteworthy features. Shimano Deore XT 12-speed gears are also included on this bike for precise and efficient shifting. The Bulls eStream Evo AM6 gives great performance and control whether you're conquering steep slopes or exploring difficult terrain. 6. Cowboy. 4. The Cowboy 4 is a sleek and elegant electric bike built for urban transportation and style-conscious users. This bike, powered by a 500W rear hub motor, provides smooth and efficient assistance on city streets. The 360-watt battery has a range of up to 50 miles, allowing you to easily handle your everyday commute. The Cowboy 4's connection characteristics set it apart. The bike includes an app that enables GPS monitoring, theft protection, and over-the-air updates. It also has automatic gear shifting and a maintenance-free belt drive system, which reduces the need for frequent maintenance. The Cowboy 4 is a modern urban commuter's dream, thanks to its sleek design and innovative electronics. 7. City Gazelle Zen Speed. The Gazelle City Zen Speed is a high-performance electric city bike built for urban commuters who value speed and efficiency. It has a 500W mid-drive motor for substantial help when traversing city streets. The 36V battery provides up to 40 miles of range on a single charge. making it ideal for regular trips. The minimalist design and high-quality components distinguish the Gazelle City Zen Speed. The integrated lights, fenders, and rear rack make this bike a sensible option for city living. Riders can effortlessly navigate through traffic while enjoying a comfortable and attractive ride, thanks to a top speed of 28 mph and an intuitive display. 8. The Rise RX Pro. The Rise RX Pro is a high-performance electric mountain bike aimed for off-road enthusiasts looking for power and precision. With a 1500W mid-drive engine, this bike can easily handle steep inclines and rugged paths. The 48V battery has a range of up to 60 miles, making it suited for longer excursions. The Rise RX Pro's dual suspension system with adjustable air shocks is one of its distinguishing features, offering a smooth and comfortable ride on any terrain. The bike also features a tough aluminum frame and a broad handlebar for better control. The Rise RX Pro is a superb alternative for dedicated off-road bikers with a top speed of 28 mph and modern LED illumination. 9. AQ177 Pro Max by Anioki. The Anioki AQ177 Pro Max electric road bike is built for speed and endurance. It has a carbon fiber frame and is driven by a 750W mid-drive motor. This bike can travel up to 60 miles on a single charge thanks to its 48V battery, making it ideal for long-distance trips. The Anioki AQ177 Pro Max is distinguished by its aerodynamic design, which minimizes drag and increases speed. Shimano 11-speed gears on the bike ensure smooth and precise shifting, giving riders complete control. This electric road bike gives great performance whether you're competing in a long-distance event or taking a leisurely ride. 10. Wired Liberty. The Wired Freedom is an electric bike built for folks who enjoy off-road exploration and adventure. It has a powerful 1000W mid-drive motor that can handle even the most difficult terrain. The 48V battery has a range of up to 70 miles, allowing riders to travel further. The suspension mechanism on the Wired Freedom is one of its most notable characteristics. This bike can handle rocky paths and uneven roads with ease thanks to front and rear suspension and big tires. It also has an easy-to-read LCD display for monitoring speed, battery life, and other important data. The Wired Freedom is a great option for riders who wish to push the limits of electric bicycling. The electric bike market is continually expanding, and the models mentioned above reflect the best of what 2023 has to offer. These motorcycles feature the most recent technological, design, and performance innovations. As electric bicycling grows in popularity, we can expect even more exciting improvements in the next years, making sustainable transportation a more accessible and fun alternative for all.